Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download AOL Mail on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store on your phone. Now on a screen, you can see options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. Tap on Search, then go to Search bar and type in AOL Mail, then select AOL Mail, News, Weather, Video and select the icon with blue icon and tap on Get or Back Up, then give your Apple account details or use Face ID. Then your iPhone will start downloading AOL Mail app on your phone. And guys, that's it. That's how you download AOL Mail on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.